This here is my new friend, Milton. What we're gonna do is let's put together Milton, and then we're gonna set him up outside, see how spooky he actually looks in real life. So let's do that real quick. While I am putting him together, I wanna talk to you a little bit of what I've noticed instantly here. So what I've noticed instantly is Milton has this combination of like really nice articulating joints and these pieces which are put on with the crappiest hardware I've ever seen. This looks like generic junk stuff that you would get at Home Depot or something like that, and I don't know why they've mixed that in with other really nice hardware. It is like somebody cheaped out in the factory, or they ran out of something they wanted and they're like, what can we quickly put it together with? So it looks kind of cheap the way that's put together, but I believe that won't really show when all of Milton's put together. So let's put them together and we'll get that answer together. So let's start with Milton's legs. These, the opposite, look like they're really pretty nice and sophisticated. Another interesting thing, the way Milton's feet are attached, they can just kind of dangle free. There's no tension there, so if you anything other than sitting perfectly flat, it's going to be hard to get like some reasonable angle on their reasonable positioning on his foot. Milton kind of sitting. I'll give him credit, he's kind of sitting. See what we got here for his torso. This would go on here like so. Pops on but doesn't actually attach anyway. So I hope it doesn't fall apart if we try to like hang him like by this string that is included with it. Okay, so there's Milton's head. See, he's out of the camera. That's how tall he is. Milton. I gotta say, Milton here is super cool. I am very happy with Milton. Although here again, see this joint has this yucky looking cheap black hardware. You know, the cheap stuff from China, this is what they do to us. It is like 8/10 on its way to be perfect, and then they cheap out on some little stuff. And I think his head is a little different white than his body. Who cares? Milton looks cool. I'm gonna give Milton a thumbs up. I'll show you what he looks like on display, but you can't go wrong with Milton. So here is Playful Milton. This is the Playful Milton. If you're looking for a cool, fun skeleton, I think he's great. I'm very happy with that. So cool.